era kumacha abali ensimbi ne bakyusa constitution abakola kibakeeraawo kati webenaalizaako ebikolobero edda abantu babyenaalizangako masanganzira kati kino ekiteeso kifuuse masanganzira abenaalemu basangaawo so n'olwekyo nze ensonga esooka nti sente zino zaayisibwa palamenti erina okwetunuuliramu butya bw'ebeeyisa budget oba ewaayo obudde. Ekyokubiri nze nga Ssemujju ne wezaalibadde nga tezaayisibwa palamenti tulina amateeka agatufuga ku nkomerero yaago galina gye bayita code of conduct. Bw'ojjawo ensonga oba erimu wa Luganda oba erimu wa mukwano code of conduct zigamba nti gwe ngotegeeza palamenti ensonga eno sijja kusobola kugitambuza bulungi. Omu kwawe bavunaana mukwano gwange okumala ebbanga ddene kino agenda bane mu nsonyiwe sijja kusobola kubeera mwenkanya mu nsonga eno ngenda kugibeera bweru waayo. Palamenti yonna ne bwe naateekako emikono ogwange tegujja kubaako nere banagiteesako mu palamenti sigenda kubeerayo ku lw'eyo ensonga. So ekyo njagala buli omu akiwa ekitiibwa.
So I would wish that Mr. President knows these people who have stolen or who have embezzled these huge sums of money. I would wish he walks the talk, but this has become his perennial song. We shall fight corruption. Remember some time back when we had it was called parliamentary walk to fight corruption. It was headed by the then late Deputy Speaker Oranya. You remember what he said? He said, yes, you have converged here, but the thieves are here. Including where he was talking about corruption. The thieves were surrounding him. Why, if he knows the thieves, why can't he arrest those thieves? Because he knows that once he arrests those thieves, government will collapse there and then. There is no way this NRM government can survive when you have already taken away the thieves, because they are very big. They are the ones who finance campaigns. Now that campaigns are in the corner, they are looking for every corner where they can steal money through these institutions. Because if the head of state, you know, for a long time, because you have intelligence, that these huge sums are embezzled by parliament and then finance, what have you done to those people? I am yet to see these people to be taken to prison or to be apprehended by the state, because he has all forces that can apprehend those thieves.
But all monies under the law, all monies which are approved here in parliament, they are approved by the executive. In the cabinet, recently we approved the supplementary for Magola, we approved money for TIAC, we approved money for Bana project. The ministers came with the cabinet position on the amount. There is no single figure we increased. Instead, we have reduced. That is on record, because government did not show us the source of the money. So when you are reducing the amount of money, then how does it come that now I have added? Under the Constitution, the rules of procedure, MPs have no power to increase the resource beyond the ceiling that has been set. We can only reduce and do the internal reallocation. So if there is money which is put, like for the Atiak Sugar Works, and we see that a health center in a district like Mitiana, there is a crisis, there's no maternity wing, we will move part of that money for Atiak and put for Mitiana to put up a health center and put up maternity. That's the only power we have, and that's what we do. Yes, the parliamentary image is hitting it. There's a wave. We are under attack. The only way we can redeem the image of parliament is by sticking to the truth and explaining to the public, and sticking to our role and responsibility as MPs.
Clinton Nahabwe, Gntv at 12.
Report now in other news, the Remiaga Member of Parliament, Honorable Theodore Sechkubo, has revealed the names of the members of Parliament that appended their signatures on the censure motion for the 4 commissioners of a 1.7 billion shillings service award. It is remembered that Sechkubo is the masterminder of this motion, and in our today's at 12 news, we bring to you the partial list of the members of Parliament. We take a look.
Dear members of the Bamasaba, we have the Honorable Karim Masaba, the MP, Industrial Division. We have the Honorable Wanda Richard, the MP Bungoko Central. We have the Honorable Wandwasi Robert, the MP Bungoko North. We have the Honorable Mube Isaac, the MP Rusheshe. We have the Honorable Galiwango Koni, the woman member of parliament, Mbale City. We thank you. For Manafwa, we have the Honorable Musira John of Bugulo East. We go to Bududa district. We have the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, who is having us, but I would propose he has signed, but we needed his physical presence here because we don't want to have any other way out. We have Honorable, we have in Lango, Dokoro County, we have the Honorable Aguti Sara, the Dokoro District Woman Member of Parliament. And we have Otuke District, Honorable Abeja Susan Jolie, Otuke District. We have Honorable Paul Omara, the Member of Parliament of Otuke County. And we go to Apache District. The Honorable Betty Engora, Apache District. The Honorable Okero Nelson, Maluzi North County. Now we go to Amorata. We have Honorable Olobe James, Kyoga North. We have the Honorable Dr. Agnes Atim Apea, the woman member of parliament, Amorata District. In Kole, we have Honorable Ochen Peter, the member of parliament, Kole South. Now, Oyam District, we have the Honorable Dr. Eunice O. Apio, the member of parliament of Oyam South. We have Lira District, Honorable Jonathan Odul, the member of parliament, Erute South. In Kwanya District, Kwanya we have Honorable Auma Kenny, the member of parliament for Kwanya District. In Bukedi sub-region, in Busia, we have the Honorable Nyangweso Dennis. He's the member of parliament for Samia Bugwe Central. We have the Honorable Omkol Sam, the member of parliament, Palisa County. We have, sorry, Otkol South. Okay. In Palisa. Okay. He's Honorable Otkol Samuel Sam. I beg your pardon. In Tororo, we have Honorable Sarah Opendi, the district woman member of parliament, Tororo. We have Budaka district, Honorable Kasoro Robert, the member of parliament, in Kibuku district. We have the Honorable Minister Namiyangu K. Jennifer, the woman member of parliament, Kibuku district. In West Nile, we have Nebi district. We have the Honorable Otimugwiu Isaac, the member of parliament for Padiere County, Nebi. In Arua, we have Honorable Etuka Isaac Joaquin, the member of parliament for Apamadi in Arua. In Yumbe, we have the Honorable Allian Yok Odria, the member of parliament, Aringa South, Yumbe district. We have Honorable Onzima, the MP, Aringa North, Yumbe. We have the Maracha district, Honorable Oguzili Dennis, of Maracha County. We have the Honorable, we have in Obongi District, the Honorable Maneno Zumla, the Member of Parliament for Obongi District, the Honorable Boka D. George, the Honorable MP Obongi. In Terego District, we have the Honorable Obiga Kania, Rose, I beg your pardon. The Honorable Obiga Kania.
There's no Kania.
No. The Honorable Obiga Rose.
Yes.
The Honorable Member of Parliament, District Woman Member of Parliament, Terego District.
Now, in other news, after the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Tubahura, saying that he will fight corruption simply because he knows the corrupt leaders, that very soon they will be summoned and arrested. Honorable Asuman Basalirwa has revealed that the President of Uganda will not be able to fight corruption simply because the corrupt leaders are being appointed by him. We have more details to the story.
Twandibadde tulowooza nti agamba nti kano kenfunye bwino yenna akwatiddwa avunaanwe. Naye ekyo seyakyogeddeko, ye yayogedde ku Amnesty kusonyiwa. So n'olabira ddala nga omutima oba political will erwanyisa enguzi teriiwo. So nze ndowooza nti Mwami Museveni bw'abanga ayagala kulaga seriousness ey'okulwanyisa enguzi, tuve mu kwogera obwogezi tudde mu bikolwa. Abazannyako ebikonde bwe mba nkigerageranya n'omuzannyo gwaffe gw'ebikonde, ng'oponenti omu ali mu koona emu, omu ali mu koona ndala, ne bajja wakati, enguzi yakuba gavumenti ya Mwami Museveni knockout. Enguzi nesigala nga yawangula. Emyaka ana Mwami Museveni gy'amaze mu bukulembeze, abadde ajja ayogera ku kulwanyisa nguzi. Nendowooza kirabika lwatu nti olwo olutalo takyasobola kuluwangula. Era singa yali asobola okuluwangula, singa oba oli awo tukyayogera ku kulwanyisa nguzi. Ensi ezirwanyisa enguzi zikikola mu mirundi ebiri oba esatu. Okusookera ddala enguzi bagirwanyisa ng'abakulembeze beewaako ng'ekyokulabirako. Omuzungu kyayita exemplary leadership. Era bwe tubanga ffe abakulembeze mu bikolwa byaffe, mu neeyisa ne mu bigambo byawukana ku bigendererwa eby'abantu, tosobola kunnyonnyola abantu nti osobola okulwanyisa enguzi. Mwami Museveni mwennyini mu kwogera kwe yagambye nti n'okumulaba obulabi waliwo abasaba abantu ensimbi. Kiba kitegeeza nti omuntu abeera mu State House watuukira okufuna obuvumu obugamba nti umpe ssente olabe president. Kiba kitegeeza nti olwo olutalo lwatuwangula. Era nze ntera okugamba abantu nti bwe tuba tulowooza kulwanyisa nguzi, oba oliawo gavumenti enajja nga eya NRM ne Mwami Museveni bamaze okugenda, yejja okusobola okulwanyisa enguzi. Kakati tunuulira ebintu ebiri basic. Omukulembeze n'atambula ne konvoyi y'emmotoka, oluseregende lw'emmotoka.
Tureke kwegekera ekintu kandi tukajja mu president wenka nitwe twarugayo tukacanga tukajja mu twacanga nakigambire nti charity begins at home. Abaziri hatu wano oryo muziro ukagira ati umwana wanje yakuza ishomero oyina abana bana konka no kubazo kikoko mwana omutwaro ndijo mukiko ko stamps abana nishebo buri omo mukwasize wamukwasa so nkimanyisa ngo kireki wamutamwenyuma wamuteka muka corruption nakura kine amanya tkunka umuntu ko kumukika rubajwa wajya kuwamo kimushemereza ngugamba no gungu nyabiha nibyebyo bimwe murekena no kutandikira hansi turwanise enguzi mwe hati yabire rwagati nekintu wakikwatera omwanyo kachimigisereza nkirafuka kwa konka hati wakirwanisiza higuru kandi hanshi kikaguma nkimuka kimanyisa ngo tikiruko mbwenu mureke president nawe n'abatebenkanisa batandikira higuru nitwa abahansi abazire abashomeso mu mashomero abarukwebembera amadini mureke twena tukimigisirize rwagati tushange ngo kintu cyakora cyahwaho azihanga ryitu ryazo misho
Oweekitiibwa Pulezidenti Kubuli yagamba mu Uganda temuli kizibu kirala okuggyako enguzi. Era singa tulwanyisa enguzi ne tugimala, Uganda ejja kutereera. Oweekitiibwa Pulezidenti yakyogera. Ekyo kimanyiddwa nti enguzi si mu gavumenti ne mu public sector. Njagala mbategeeza ne mu public sector, human resource officer omulimu naye ayagala kutunda. Ne mu private sector oba mutuma genda ogula empapula era ayongerako enjawulo. So enguzi eri mu ggwanga si mu gavumenti yokka, lwakubanga ze ekitongole ekyange kivunaanyizibwa ku bitongole bya gavumenti naye mu ggwanga lyonna private sector enguzi nyingi nnyo. Oli bamutuma genda onywa amafuta era litemu tagikola ki agirekayo n'afunamu ssente mu petrol station. Nowa petrol station n'amugamba katusigabane twalako 2,500 nange twaleko biki 2,500. Owa mukama we amugamba nataddemu amafuta gonna. Ogenda okulaga ati genda ogula empapula ezirimu gyaliza akasanvu agamba ow'edduuka wampa risiti ya 8 nga 10 balugabana ow'edduuka ino naakuzeera. So enguzi eri mu ggwanga lyonna ate mu ggwanga lyonna nga bwerimu era etutawanyage. Ate sanctions zandiriza judicial system nekola ki neggwayo. Oli baba nga ali mu kooti gwe n'omusalira nti gutusinze n'olwekyo tugobye mu nsi yange kagamba kiragira dda nti simanyi tebabitambuziza bulungi okubasomesa obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi. Kale tubadde tutambula bujjo naye olwaleero tubadde eno kyonyenakawa ng'ekikulu kye tubategeeza nti buli muntu buvunaanyizibwa bwe kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi kubanga buli muntu bumukosa era ffenna butukosa ng'abantu.
Clinton Nahabwe, GNTV at 12.
That report. Now into our sports news. Uganda Cranes yesterday faced a defeat at Nambole Mandela Stadium to Algeria national team. Cranes goal that was scored by Travis Mutiaba in a 10th minute was not enough to secure Uganda's win as Algeria came from behind to defeat Cranes with a 1-2 score. We take a look. That report sums up the end of our today's bulletin. I'm Allian Atubandiize, Gntv at 12. I've been with Apollo behind the camera and Joseph in the control room. And our dear viewers, thanks for being part of us from the time we started, the time we are coming to the end of our today's bulletin. Before I sign out, I still remind you that Good News Television, this goes to all our Gntv viewers and all people on Gntv social platforms. Gntv Uganda is located in the heart of City. Now, if you are there and you are a professional marketeer and you are looking for a job, please bring your application here at Gntv Uganda, or please contact Gntv Business Supervisor at 078 7940 736 or call 0759 10 8885. Up next is a lunch hour service at King of Kings Church. Please come and attend. Have a blessed afternoon.